Hi guys, it's Oscar from Oscarletics here. Today I'm going to show you my first Harvard CS50W project called Search. It is basically a front-end search for Google, and I called my project Google. Today I'm going to show you all the features of Google, my project. So here they are. So first we have Google Search. So you can type in a search query like Harvard, and we do Google search, and it will take us to the search results for Harvard. And we can also click I'm feeling lucky, which will take us to this redirect notice, and then we can go to Harvard's website, which is the first results for the query. And also we have image search, where we can type in DJI and do image search, and this will show images related to DJI. And lastly, we have Google Advanced Search, where we have full query, which is all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words, and an advanced search button. So we can type in C, C++, JavaScript, and Python, and then we can click advanced search, and it will take us to the advanced search results for that query. And now we also have some top right aligned links that will take us to the certain pages like Google search, image search, advanced search, and also you have a Google logo here, here, and here. So yeah, this is my program. Bye.